I must unlearn things that I knew before and Alright, so this is Tony Lizard, and for today we are going to be recording this video. Yes, we're going to be recording this video and to see kung okay siya. Yes, actually right now, nag-ano lang kasi tayo, naglalaro. Actually, doon naman talaga nagsisimula lahat. Well, I call it naglalaro is because we're tinkering on things that interest us. Yes. So, in doing so, we discover stuff, we discover kung paano gawin ng isang bagay, 'di ba? So, right now, naninibago ulit ako sa paggawa ng videos, especially kung sa settings natin, paano pagandahin. I must unlearn things that I knew before and adapt to new systems right now. Pero it's easier said than done, di ba? Ang hirap tanggalin ng mga napag-aralan mo na before. So, sometimes kala mo yung parang wala ka ng alam, parang outdated na yung mga stuffs na alam mo. Pero in reality, it's just parang binago lang yung kung saan nakalagay, kung saan yung placements, 'di ba? Just like before, 'di ba? Parang pag nagdi-DJ ka, before it used to be a turntable, tapos naging CDJ, tapos naging DJ controller. Pero same principles apply to everything. Basically, you just have to mix 2 or 3 music or 3 tracks and then make it, danceable, mixable, or make to entertain the crowd. Pero, yun nga, naiba lang yung system, pero same pa rin yung ginagawa. So, that's what I'm saying. So, for yung mga lumang jocks na nasa turntable before, maybe they find it somehow medyo they had a hard time adjusting to DJ controllers. Kasi talaga naman pag nag-turntable sila, talagang master nila. And then, here comes the DJ controller, which is napakadali. On the other hand naman, pag yung mga bagong DJs ang gumamit ng, let's say, sanay sila sa DJ controller, and then biglang nag-turntable, parang if you reverse that, mas mahirap sa kanila. Diba? So, sometimes kala mo ganun kahirap, pero yun pala madali lang pala. Just like this one, we're using OBS right now, and actually matagal na rin ako familiar sa OBS, although yung mga equipments medyo nag-trim down na tayo. Before I used to do recordings sa camera. And then right now, nag-upgrade ako ng video card and then I got myself a good webcam para mas streamline yung ating production for the video. Pero ang consequence naman nun, mas lower quality yung kung gagamit ka ng webcam. So, pero in terms of convenience, mas convenient ito kasi because automatic na. Pag nag-record tayo, then after recording, diretso edit na kaagad. So, walang kahirap-hirap, di ba? So, yun lang yun eh. Anyway, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Nag-record lang talaga tayo ng boses at saka ng audio. Sige, bye-bye.